Uh-oh.
She said, I want to do it.
Oh, let Evie do it.
She said a sentence. I want to do it.
She said that? Oh my gosh. Wow.
She should be wearing 5 diapers. 5 diapers. She knows all these words.
Yay! Good job.